Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can actually add food inside of your Myfitness Pal application. So, if you are using phone, you can just download this application guys from iOS App Store or Android Google Play. Now, after you open it, you will have to create an account in it. So basically, for those who are using PC, you can just go ahead into your browser, myfitnesspal.com, and start creating your account. And the same for phone users, you can just go inside the application. So basically, they will ask you for email, password, and then some information about your body. Right after that, you will have to put your goal, and then if you're active or not. Right after that, this page will be opened. So how we can actually add food. So as you can see here in the front page, we will have this menu food over here, or click here to add food. So we can choose whatever you like or you feel like. So let's add food, for example, from here. And basically now we go, for example, to choose lunch, for example, and click on add food. And you search here for whatever food you have eaten, for example, pizza. So I search for a pizza, and I don't know, you can even choose what type of pizza you have eaten. So let's say that we have eaten margarita, for example. You choose this, how much slices, or I don't know how many things, and add food to diary. So like that. Now, as you can see, I have added pizza for here. You can add even drinks. So let's add, for example, some Coca-Cola, for example. So here is Coca-Cola. Let's add it here. And yeah, as you can see here, you have reached like, I don't, let's see, let's check over here, my home. So you have reached like 622, and you have remained 1069 69 one. So we have like this as remaining calories that you have to eat, and that's what you have eaten. So yeah guys, that's how you can add food inside of my fitness pal. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.